Please note that MobiCam needs to establish pair on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency. On the IP camera page, tap Add Device to pair your MobiCam with the app, then tap Connecting My Camera. Find your 2.4 GHz wireless network and enter the name and password.
Welcome to MobiCam. Get the cell phone close to the camera and keep it still.
Tap Next. Move your phone closer to the camera and eliminate background noise.
Press Send Soundwave icon. Wait for the successful pairing confirmation from camera.
MobiCam will beep to confirm the sound wave has been received. Then confirm connection to your Wi-Fi with 2 voice prompts. You will then be redirected to a countdown screen.
Wireless network established.
If you need to add any additional cameras, first unplug the successfully paired MobiCam, then tap the plus sign and repeat the pairing process. Once you have successfully paired your additional camera, you may plug the first camera back in.